any website link to promoting along with the video using Twitter option. So I'm selecting here digital marketing servicing. In this, I'll go option called card library. In this create library, the option is called video website card. Which one? Video website card. Select it. What option call is upload video, browse video. Now click for upload video. In this upload video, select your video option. Now it's going to upload here. So this right on. Digital marketing services. Hyderabad. Second thing, copy the website URL, where you can paste below option. Copy. Now click for create. Now go for tweet option. Go for tweet. Before that, if any thumbnail will be changed, you can check the option. Select it. Is a video. Now picture only for is a picture will be only for set by here. See this. Now I can change the video thumbnail. What is the option called? Browse video. Go to media library. Go to media library. I'll go different ways. Upload media. Digital marketing. Okay, is that creating some problem? I'm putting wrong process, I think. Is not accepting in the media. So clear? The media also accept on your videos. So leave it. Go for this. Upload it. When media will be failure, we can't do anything on your option. So any video to upload on Twitter, they accept only for MP4 format. The video you can prepare by the PP to video making or photos to video making. Any conversion they need by MP4 format. Then save. Tweet. Select your post based on hashtag. And second thing is remove not only. Click for tweet. So now go to your Twitter option. Click for home and go to clicker profile. See this. Here, what is video will be promoting for here? What is called? Video play for automatically. Second thing will be click here. They go into your website. Again, we have the two option. One is video promotion. Second will be website promotion. These two option will be using Twitter cards. That option is called go to card library. That is called video website card. One is image, second will be video. The website will be promoting multiple images, multiple videos. Link will be one. We're changing for title and your website link option. Is it clear? This is a very important. This is only for eligible by Twitter option. Anytime video will be played, the video you can promote by your website link also. The two things are very important on your Twitter cards.